Yo, hola, okay, hola. You see a bad bitch coming true, yo, what's the hola? I'm in that new me and new.
What's up, guys? It's your girl, Go to Obsessions, and I'm back with another video. And today I'm gonna be doing a video unlike any other video I've done on this channel. Let me just give a disclaimer right quick. So if you have a problem with like marijuana, drugs, like that type of stuff, well, marijuana really ain't a drug to me, but I mean, depending on how you use it. Like if you use it for fun, then like it's just, you know, if you use it responsibly, it ain't a drug. But like if you out here getting addicted, then of course it's a drug. So anyway, that's neither here nor there. So I'm gonna be doing my makeup and getting high. So yeah, also if you don't like these type of videos that I do, like, because I'm probably do a couple of these, so if you don't like these type of videos, you can just click off or not watch it. But like, I'm not a hood rat or no shit, so I'm not gonna talk about it or be doing it in every single video, so you don't gotta worry about that. So you can still subscribe to me, but I mean, like I said, if you have something negative to say, go ahead and leave it down in the comment section below. Make sure you're subscribed and just go to the next upload. The first thing I'm gonna do is my eyebrows. I'm not gonna light up yet because I want to be like sober when I do my eyebrows, because this is really the only thing in my whole makeup routine that can go wrong. Like, these are my eyebrows if I'm not thinking properly, because everything else is pretty much just like basic shit, if you know what I mean. Like if you do makeup often, then you know exactly what the fuck I'm talking about. So while I look a mess, I got my backwood here. This backwood really ain't all that, but yeah, this is the one I'm gonna do. This one got hella holes in it. I don't know if y'all can see, but I ain't feel like keep re-rolling it. So okay, so it's not gonna look like a lot of like smoke is coming out because this has holes in it all throughout it, but you can see it's burning, right? This may or may not be weed, just in case, you know, anybody guests are watching. This may or may not be weed. I'm not really doing nothing fancy with my eyeshadow today because I'm not doing shit. I'm literally filming this video to make cute snaps. Like, y'all know how to make it be. Like, this gonna be a hot ass Snapchat. Get ready with me because okay, but I don't want it to look stupid. So what I am gonna do is do something. Hey guys, it's Sierra from the future. So I want to say something right quick. When I was filming this video, which was just a fucking minute ago, the sun was actually going down. So like, and I wasn't really noticing it because I really wasn't paying attention, but the sun was going down. So my makeup, like my right up in here and even like my under eye concealer, it looks super bright, and it really wasn't even like that. Also, like, you can see my dark spots still through my makeup, but in person it doesn't look like that. It only looks like that because of the light. Like, the light is, I guess, I don't know if it's like shit, I don't know what it is, but I know in person it does not look like that. Like, I'll insert some pictures and stuff, or even look at the thumbnail and you'll be able to tell like how my makeup really actually looks. So I just want to say that because I know somebody gonna be watching this like, girl. And then, you know, real simple, I'm gonna take my contour palette, this one right here, and I'm gonna take this color. Did I just say this one right here? I meant this one right here. I mean this shade. No, I'm not gonna use that. I'm gonna use my Morphe bronzer. This what it look like. Oh, hold on. Yeah, y'all can see it like that. This what it looks like. I'm gonna take this little brush right here. You know what I'm saying? And I'm gonna take this color right here and just, this is what I do when like I really don't feel like a bead in my face, but I still want to look cute. So I just take that color and just, or whatever bronzer or contour I'm gonna use, and just put that like that. Just go over my eyes a little bit. You see, I don't even got no eyeshadow down here, but it looks like I do. What was the world like before concealer or like eyeshadow primer? Because, phew. Y'all, so this girl at my school, right? Well, at the school I used to go to, she used to, and a lot of girls I be seeing do this shit now, she used to draw her eyebrows on, no foundation, no nothing, just draw her eyebrows on, right? And she would put like, she was already light skinned, so like she would put the lightest fucking concealer she possibly could down here and some brown shadow, and she used to wear that shit to school every fucking day, bro. And I'm just like, bruh, oh my God. And then the thing is, I was wearing makeup and my shit used to look beat down. Like, I used to be on point with the shit. You know what I'm saying? I wasn't as good as I am now because your bitch is untouchable. But, yeah, like, I used to be beat down. So I'm just like, bitch, we in the same class. Why the fuck you just don't be like, Sierra, can you help me with this? I don't have no problem. Like, why you coming to school looking like that? Oh, nigga, was you cheating? Because we damn sure just dropped the blunt. I do want to put some eyeliner on because I want to... I'm going to do my little dots today. Y'all know what dots I'm talking about. And somebody on my Instagram story asked me this the other day, so I'm finna show you right quick. So it's really up to you where, like, you put the dots and stuff. But I like to put mine, like... right here. Oh, that is big as fuck. Y'all, this is big as fuck. Bro, you see how far this one is over? Me hating my life. Alright, but you're not really gonna be able to tell because the lashes that I'm wearing, I don't know which ones I want to wear. I think I'm gonna do these. The lashes that I'm wearing are so fucking dramatic. Like, shout out to Kosi with the bomb ass lashes because, girl, period. Listen, if you're in Atlanta and you sleep on Kosi like lashes, I should really say her fucking business name because y'all don't even know who the fuck this is. But I'll put her business name on the, what the fuck I'm trying to say? I'm gonna put it on the screen. So yeah, these are 100% mink 25mm lashes. These the ones I'm wearing look like this. Hopefully y'all can see. Yeah, they like that. And her shit be fire as fuck. Like, on God, I've tried 4 different pairs from her. This make my 4th, and they all bomb as fuck. They're dramatic, but she even got a pair. It's like on the it's on the thinner side. It's still long, but it's on the thinner side. It just look like when you know when you get mink lash extensions and you ask them to do them a little long or medium long. That's like sexy as fuck. Like, whew. Y'all, I'm just chatting like. Oh, and this is not like a real makeup tutorial if that's what you want, because I'm smoking, y'all. Like, why the fuck would this be a makeup tutorial? I'm doing one of the most unprofessional things there is. They look kind of crazy on camera, but these are sexy as fuck. Oh my God, I should send her, I should fucking FaceTime her and be like, bitch, because these lashes are just the most. Period. Bruh, my mama friends gonna be watching this shit like, JC, you know your daughter? That is fun. My mom gonna be like, Sierra. It's gonna be old. Hell no. She gonna call me like, Sierra, you posted a video, you smoking. Yes, Mom, yes. Yes, I did.
A little crazy.
Go crazy. Ah, go stupid. Ah.
When you rich like this, you don't try to forecast every day's gonna rain. Yeah, everybody ever shot my shot, called it. Everything you ever seen me running, bought it. No brain, ain't worried about you. I'ma do it,
IDPT, Camp Cinco. Hope the folk don't hit me with a Rico. I'm gonna take my L'Oreal Triple Active Day Moisturizer, and a little of this go, and a little bit of this go a long way. So you don't gotta use a lot of it. So yeah. Even though I just put so much, I said you ain't gotta use a lot of it, and then proceeds to put a fucking lot of it. You stupid hoe. You ever be smoking with somebody, right? And the weed hits like, and it hits so good when you hit it, and it's like unexpected, and you like, and you got a cough and shit, right? But you're around people, so you try not to look like a pussy. So you just, so you just sit there like, can I get some water? By the way, this is the primer that I'm using. The fuck? You alright, nigga? Like, what the fuck? What are you doing? Are you dumb?
Don't you put that in there.
Are you dumb, nigga? You should have sat there like. Now I got a wet sponge here. This is a what is it called, man? Why the fuck would you know? This is the Sonia Kashuk sponge. Ain't nothing on this, so why am I patting my face? You stupid bitch. Y'all, this is actually gonna be a special type of edition, like get high with me, I guess you can call this. Cause I'm trying a new foundation. And this is the CoverGirl Full Spectrum Matte Ambitions All Day Shine Free Foundation. Now y'all, I do not like fucking matte foundations at all. Like at all. I don't do the mattes. And I have this in the color golden. Deep golden, sorry. I hope this fucking matches me. It looks like my exact color though. Y'all know what the fuck going on. Just blend it out. Ooh, I think this might be too dark for me. Ooh, I do not like this fucking foundation at all right now. Is this supposed to be full coverage? Honey, this ain't... Okay. It doesn't blend too bad with my skin. It looks... I look stupid as fuck right now, but... Y'all look bad in person, y'all. And I know everybody's on this no foundation on your head wave, but sometimes I do still put foundation on my head. Not all the time, but like I told y'all, this is just a fucking video to make cute snaps. Ain't nobody finna be really doing shit. So what's tea? Why the fuck would I need to do all that? Yeah. Just 2 pumps of this foundation, and girl, yeah, I like a full coverage beat. Even the finish of this foundation, I'm really not the biggest fan of. I'm gonna add 2 more pumps. Y'all know somebody out there cringing at how much foundation this is, but y'all, I'm high as fuck. Give me a break, please. Cause y'all, my mustache, like, I know nothing's gonna conceal hair, but like, even my hyperpigmentation right there in the shadow, like, hey, that shit is popping. I can't. All right. Let's get this party started. I love the finish right now. Look at how fucking glowy my skin is. And I thought this was supposed to be shine free. I'm kind of happy that they didn't keep their word though, because not the best coverage, but this looks good. This looks really good. Y'all know I'm using the color Pop No Filter Concealer in the color 42. No, nigga.
Bro. Where y'all at? Tweet at. You get wings.
Piece of your wings.
Piece of your wings.
Let me get some wings.
Let me get a fry.
What the fuck is wrong with you?
Where's
my dog?
Fuck that nigga. Let that nigga defend for themselves like a daddy got to.
Go ahead. Oh my god, bro, this shit not blending. Let me hurry up. This shit dried down on my phone. Stop beefing with babies. Catch 'em and raising. We're taking your paper, you're yocking your ladies. Fist fight, this bitch bites like it's rabies. She wasn't last year. I knew life ain't fair. You know, man, who live life ain't fair. Broke but baby, ain't got no bread, I ain't got no cheese. I been trying to fertilize your eggs, supervise your eggs, supervise your kid. Anybody wear my money to me, I'm gonna try to got something to do. Sitting there looking like something to eat. Yes, yes. She's tired. Look at she walk. Look at she talk. She's sexy. One for my sugar daddy, one for my sugar. He be trigger happy. Pussy real ball. It ain't never gonna Them get in line, period. If you dip your fries in something, comment down below what you dip it in. I did mine in blue cheese for wings and Zach sauce for Zaxby. I'm clean. I'm a bad motherfucker. Neck tap, say Onika. I got more slaps than Aretha. When you lose the queen, niggas friendly, dog. You trying to take my wing for this?
No.
So you dated that. So guys, I'm wearing my shades because I'm just too cool for school. So guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. My hair looks super big right now because I have on a bone straight wig, so it like makes my head more predominant, but I don't care, honey. I'm gonna wear my whole weave, and that's just on period. Hope you guys enjoyed this. Like this, hope you guys enjoyed this. My nappy ass weave, bitch. If you guys want more videos like this, go ahead and leave a comment down below. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. If you made it to the end of this video, comment below if you like watermelon, because I'm about to shout out. Better yet, comment down below what's your favorite wing flavor. Okay, when I get wings, I get hot lemon pepper or honey hot, or I get lemon pepper wet. So you comment what you like down below, and I'll see you guys in the next upload. Mwah. Bye guys.